So I'm having this really nice headlamp here, which is really bright, which I got cheap from AliExpress. And I kinda like that thing, because it has a really long battery life. And as I said, it's really bright. But unfortunately it would not charge anymore. And I was wondering if it is maybe broken. I was already on the tip of throwing it away, but fortunately I have some tools lying around here. In this case a digital multimeter, which enables to measure the voltage of the cells. And the voltage of the cells is, as you see here, around 1.2 volts, which is for all cells because they're in parallel. So actually the cells are very empty, even though they show some voltage. Apparently the voltage is too low to give the headlamp enough starting voltage, so the circuit is shutting down actually, and it's also so low that it's not charging anymore. And yeah, fortunately I also have this LiitoKala Lii-PD4 external charger, and I put the cells into the charger, and strangely the cells were detected as a nickel methyl hydride, or nickel cadmium as you'd say, cell, and with a low voltage of only 1.2 volts they were then identified as a wrong cell. And strangely, without any current flowing into the batteries, the voltage then increased really fast, which then enabled the cells to be detected as a correct lithium-ion battery after reattaching the cell to the charger. So what I did is I pulled out the cells and then reconnected the cells. And after doing that for a couple of times, the cells were then finally detected as a lithium-ion, as you see here. So yeah, that actually enabled to charge the batteries again. And of course the batteries are a little bit damaged because they were really low discharged. And yeah, I gave that a try and charged the batteries for good and half an hour, or it says 37 minutes, and each of the cells had like 240-290 milliamp hours charged, which is actually pretty bad because the batteries should have more than 1000 milliamp hours. But I think they are really like in a bad state right now, and we have to yeah, charge and discharge them for a while to really make it work again. So yeah, that was quite an easy fix. I hope that helped, and see you in the next one.